about how many miles you can do. She's fine with it.
What's up, y'all? Y'all are probably wondering, where am I now? So I was just in Hawaii about a week ago, and I was only home for about literally a week, and all of a sudden a last minute trip to Las Vegas popped up. So that's where I'm at today, in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Viva Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas!
Now believe me when I say, I sure was missing my Sea-Doos while I was out there in that nice turquoise blue water, in Hawaii especially. And I wished I could have brought my skis. The reason why I'm here in Vegas, in Nevada, is because I made it a mission, a goal of mine this season, or even just this year or next year, is to go to different places, different oceans, lakes, freaking rivers, bayous, even ditches. I don't care. If I have never been there, I am willing to try something new. And that's why I am going to Lake Mead today. For those that don't know about Lake Mead has this little dam. I don't know if you've heard of it, but this little dam called Hoover Dam. No, I'm just joking. Hoover Dam is a huge dam.
That's a huge.
Because I get a lot of questions in the comment section about what miles, how did I figure this out, and all these planning. This video will be more detailed for you guys. I'm gonna try to include it along the ride, and also more details will be in the description down below, and it'll be all written out for you guys. And a special thanks to Skiwi Rentals. Skiwi Rentals is a great PWC rental company here in Henderson, which is only about 20-30 minutes from the lake, so it makes it very convenient. You just pick up the skis, as you can see back there. I mean, I had to get a Uhaul, but hey, they even provide a hitch for you. That's how convenient they make it for you. And they recommend 2 U-Haul companies that are real close by, so you're not spending a lot of time transporting or just money on the mileage on the truck. So if you want to fly into Vegas, hey, here's your chance to check out Lake Mead. While we're driving, I'm just gonna tell you there's 2 different locations that come highly recommended to launch at, and that is Colville Boat Marina and Hemingway Boat Marina. Hemingway is south of Lake Mead in the Basin, and it's closer to Hoover Dam. Now, Colville is more closer to the Narrows, let's say about 13 miles from Hoover Dam, and they also have fuel there. But from what I'm hearing is that the lake is running a little low on water, so they're only running 1 lane at this time. But since this is a Monday, it shouldn't be packed. So come on, and I'll talk to y'all more over there at Hemingway. So it's $25 for a vehicle to get into Hemingway. And then the skier already has a pass for the lake. So we got everything loaded in the ski right now, and we're about to launch. Like I was telling you, it is only a single lane, because if you can see right here, this is actually the largest reservoir in the United States, but it's really low right now. They said something due to environmental issues and stuff, that the water has been going down like drastically. to you guys, but on the way back, I'm gonna try to show y'all that they had to lay down some mats. I don't know what they're called, but I had read about them before, that the dock ran out of cement because of how low the water is. They laid mats down to create some type of traction for when you're pulling out your skis. It's easy to launch your skis or your boat, but it's hard to pull your vehicle back out without those mats. So you can see it's all smooth and there's barely anybody on the water today. So we have Lake Mead all to ourselves, and we're about to head to Hoover Dam right now. So we're still trying to locate Hoover Dam. I thought it was around this corner, but it's not. So that's the water line I was telling you about. Look how crazy that is. Imagine that, this whole lake, the largest reservoir in the United States, missing this much water. So where we're at right now, right here, right now, we're on the border, the state line border. Here's another fun fact for you guys. On Lake Mead, the lake is separated by 2 states, Arizona and Nevada. And if there's an imaginary line right here. We just made it around the corner for about 3 miles from Hemingway boat launch, and you see right there, zoom in, go! You see the Hoover Dam. Here's one of the fun facts about the Hoover Dam is that it is 726 feet tall and 1,244 feet long, and the base of it is 660 feet thick. Man, that is pretty crazy. Basically, this whole dam is almost a quarter of a mile, and as you can see, they even have a bridge on the top. I'll zoom in for you guys right there. So this dam wasn't just made just to provide electricity. It's also there to protect from flooding of the Colorado River. It was built in 1930, and they even built a whole city just for this dam. The Hoover Dam took about 5 years to build, from 1931 to 1936. But during the process of building it, about 138 workers died. Now, they had to house at least 5,000 workers, which basically became Boulder City. So I've been seeing a lot of boats coming in and out of here. And I thought the buoys said like no boat traffic allowed over there or anything like that, but I read it and it said no skiing. I don't know what no skiing means. Maybe wakeboarding, wake surfing. We're gonna go check it out. Look, do I see a little cave? Oh, the boat was over here.
All been here?
Yeah. Look what we found.
You go in there?
Maybe. Yeah. Ready? Okay. Go. How are you just gonna push me in the water? Oh, that felt good. It was starting to get hot. Went for a nice dip over here. I wanted to go swim over there near that cave, but I don't know. I'm kind of chicken to go see what's in there. You never know what's in the darkness. Hey! We are in another part of the basin. Once you go through the Narrows, you end up over near where Valley Fire State Park is at, and there's actually two little narrow areas that you can go on, that you can go up or this way, whichever one. But we're gonna be running out of time because we have some other stuff to do today, but it's okay. Hopefully I was able to capture all the beauty in the beginning of the basin and all the way to the Narrows. But man, it is so peaceful riding through the canyons and being with no other boats around. Did you like it?
I loved it.
Oh, she loved it, guys. And y'all know she's very opinionated when she says she doesn't like something. So Las Vegas is not just about casinos, as you can see. You're gonna go out and explore the desert, explore the water, explore Lake Mead. Check out skiweerentals.com also. And lately, that's all I've been doing. Like the last time I was here in Vegas, I didn't even really go to the casinos. What did we do? We went off-roading in the desert, and I think we even went for a hike. I don't know, but Vegas does have a lot to offer. Well, Nevada has a lot to offer, and y'all should definitely check it out. It is doable. A lot of people always ask me, how do I ride skis all in different places? Well, you know what? This video hopefully will help you understand that it is possible. All right, let's hurry up and get back. But we're gonna have a snack in the Narrows. Time for a snack. Cheers. Yum. But we're back, heading back to Hemingway. Boat launch. You're gonna enjoy the ride. So no wake zone now, we're over here. If you like this video and you found it informative and entertaining, go ahead and hit that like button, and it helps out the channel if you share this video with your friends and family. Share it with anybody. Share it with people you don't like, share it with the people you like, share it with the people you love. And then also, if y'all can go show some love to skiweerentals.com. They have a lot of entry-level skis that you can rent, and Actually, they don't even burn a lot of fuel. I put $65 in here, and I only used 3 bars. You see this? I only used 3 bars. So basically, you probably only need $20 to go where I went and back. This rental is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you could have all day. I didn't get out in the water until like about 11:30, and now it's about 3 o'clock. So you can check them out. Their rates and everything will be online. They give you information about where you can rent. The truck is only $19.95 to rent and 59 cents per mile. I estimated about $50 in mileage. That's not that bad. And the $19.95 for the truck rental itself. They give you these lovely vests to wear so you don't have to bring your own vests. Or if you don't even own a PWC, this is the time where you can enjoy it, explore and everything. There's not a lot of stuff in the water where you're worried about hitting anything or running aground. Just stay away from the big rocks. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments, comment down below. Maybe I forgot to include some information, or you just want to tell me you love the video. Whichever one works out for me. But until next time, see y'all on the water.